This is technology you can't see till you touch it. Now I'm going to turn on the music. See that? And then to turn it up or down, you create a circle, goes louder and softer. How cool is that? Also, I've got to show you what happens in the front. Take a look at this. More shy technology. This looks like a piece of wood, but it actually controls this screen. Right, here's the map. I'm actually going to control it here on this wood panel. Move it around. Like this. Look at that. So you think this is just wood, but it actually controls this. Now, let's get in the driver's seat. Come on. This is the future of autonomous driving from BMW, and we're going to see something with this much technology on the road by 2021. Swarovski crystals here. That looks cool. Now, if you do want to drive it, this is how you activate the steering wheel and the pedals. The pedals are going to come out. I'm just going to flip this over. Now they come, that easy. Okay, this is meant to be like your living room, and because it's autonomous, this lays flat so that your passenger can look behind and talk to the other passengers in the car. Now the other thing is, when the doors close, it actually becomes a lounge chair in the front too. Look, here, this all wraps around your body like this so that you can actually sit here like this on the side and be really comfortable. That's quite cool. All right, let's go for a drive. Okay. It's meant to look like your lounge room at home, right? So that's why this chair kind of looks like something you'd have in your lounge room. And also, like the air vents, for example, they're all hidden away, just like you wouldn't see them in your lounge room at home. The interior will be quite different when it launches in 2021, but the exterior, everything you see here, is going to be pretty similar to this, so that's kind of crazy. So the BMW Vision iNext, what do you think?